Welcome to today's edition of Kyle's Crack, featuring a 1999 Haro Zippo. It's one of the later twin top tube designs. It's got a high 10 frame, 175 millimeter bottom bracket, 1 1/8 front tube. So we've got the Haro big block stem on it, some knee saver handlebars, and some junk forks that I stickered up. Put those new Colt Vans tread on them, on the top wheels. The rear wheel is a SATA, the Haro SATA, which was a really nice wheel, still available. Front's an Alex rim. Not sure about this one, but it works for the cruiser purpose. Anyway, I'm going to throw some stickers on it. 3-piece crank and a nicer seat, nicer than the lack of seat. I hogged out the rear dropout to fit the 14 millimeter axle. Got it pretty straight and even looking. And it'll have Diacomp style two wheel brakes, front and back. Some new levers and all black trimmings. It's available for sale, $600 or best offer. Thanks.